Inside Kenora's 100-year-old fire hall, a garage that once housed fire trucks and ambulances is now filled with kegs and stainless steel tanks.
We're here in the tap room and eatery. We also, though, primarily, we're a brew house.
We put in our malts and hops and our, depending what we're doing, in here so that it boils up and creates all those different flavors.
Kenora's Lake of the Woods Brewing Company is a craft brewery. By common definition, that means small scale, independent, and traditional.
So a microbrewery is a brewery that does beer on a smaller scale. We have the ability to do a bunch of different types and styles of brew.
Kenora's first Lake of the Woods Brewing Company was shut down during Prohibition. And when it reopened in the 1920s, the small company was unable to compete with the large national breweries. But microbreweries have made a comeback. There are now more than 100 in Ontario, and sales are growing by 10% every year.
Why is everyone going crazy for craft beer? I think it's because patrons, customers, they are really looking to know where the input products are sourced from. They want local, they want fresh.
Water is tapped straight from the Lake of the Woods and into this 10-hectoliter Casper Schultz brewing system. Only 4 ingredients are used, and since it's made in small batches, the brewmaster can get creative with flavors.
As it grows in popularity and brewers are trying to, be more innovative, be more experimental, and people like that.
Most craft breweries like Lake of the Woods Brewing Company are locally owned and a source of pride for the community.
3 of these too.
So much so, people want to wear that pride on their sleeve.
Yeah.
You'll also see this logo as a sponsor of local events and teams. The owners have also developed what they call a Charity Pints program, with proceeds going to local charities as well as in Winnipeg and Thunder Bay.
They all really believe in helping to make a difference. They are community-minded, and they see that in order to be able to give back, we have to have some type of social impact investment policy, and that's what the Charity Pints program is, in addition to other things. Sponsorship of local events, donations for weddings and socials, that sort of real hometown kind of feel, right?
The growler is a 64-ounce jug.
Flagship and seasonal beers are currently sold in growlers. A canning line is set to get going this spring. It will allow greater distribution for Lake of the Woods Brew as the thirst for craft beer continues to grow. For Shaw TV, I'm Jessica Cable.